What's up guys, Manuela Vincent back with another video, and on today's video I'm actually going to be talking a little bit more about I Am Master Academy, what it pretty much is, how you can get started for on a free trial, a very limited free trial coming up this week. You can actually go in and take some live trades with our master traders and see how easy it is really to do with a demo account. Okay, but before I get into the content of this video, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. On my channel, you're going to find I talk a lot about how to make money from home, online. I share with you business opportunities. Most recently, I've gotten into the trading space, which I really love. I enjoy it. It's exciting. Love the team I'm part of. But if anything, if you've been interested in getting into this kind of space at all, just want to learn more about it, go ahead and do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I do drop another video. This is pretty much where I'm going to be for a while, guys. Again, I do love affiliate marketing. Basically, that's, sharing other people's products and you get commissions for that. With this, it's very different. Okay, so now I'm going to get into the thick of things with this opportunity. So I am not a recruiter. Which I like about this is that you don't have to recruit anybody to make money. I'm strictly focusing on the trading aspect of it at this time because I really love it. I think it's, it's just a nice way to be able to bring in that money. Now, if you wanted some residual incomes, that's when you'd want to take advantage of the recruiting side. Again, you don't have to make money. That's the brilliant thing about this company. I wanted to keep stressing that you don't have to be a recruiter. If you're not comfortable with recruiting people, you don't have to do that with this, because if you just strictly focus on the trading, that's really what you're focusing, like with me, and I'm learning every day from the educators. I'm learning the strategies. I'm learning what it takes to be a full-time trader. Okay. That's completely up to you, but you just need to know there's different ways to go and make money with this opportunity. And I love it because the culture is great. And I'm going to show a couple things in a minute, but, this company's been around about 8 years. Their focus, again, is just teaching people how to be traders, binary traders, crypto traders, learning more about crypto. There's so many venues inside these packages that you can choose whichever path it is you desire, right? For me personally, I am actually referring people to the HFX, which is high frequency Forex trading. And because I feel like it's the best place to start as a newbie. Again, I've been with the Academy since April now, and I love it. I absolutely love the team I'm part of. I love that I can make money in minutes, right? And of course, we'd like to put a full disclaimer out, right? There's always a risk to any kind of investment. This is an investment, guys. You only put in what you can afford to lose, right? You should be seeing some kind of disclaimer run across the screen somewhere here. I always like to put that in there, and as you know, the Academy would do the same, right? Today's video, I'm not going to show any income claims. I'm not going to show any income results because we don't do that at the Academy. We are different. We want to keep this company around. That's actually illegal to actually show income results, because what I make, you may make more. You may make less. I don't know your work ethic. And again, it's an investment. You could go in and do a couple trades in a day. You might be winning them. You can go in and maybe lose them. So it's like the markets fluctuate. So we don't want to say that you're going to make such and such a dollar amount. All I can tell you is what we do make money in minutes. And so before I show you more of the back office, actually, I did do a video down here, guys. If you wanted to refer back to that, it was what is I Am Mastery Academy. That kind of goes into a little bit more detail. So I'm not going to go into a lot of detail today. I just wanted to share a little bit about more what you're going to be getting if you decide to come on board with us, right? So for today's purpose, I do want to talk about a free trial we are running before I actually get into anything else. I'm going to go to my Facebook page now. Right here, if you guys can see this, is something I just posted up on my Facebook page. And this is my Facebook page if you wanted to follow. That's my address, the web address for that. But basically, we are running a free trial next Tuesday at 9:45, where you can actually get, and I would provide you the Telegram group because we always do a lot of our meetings in Telegram groups. You would just jump on that link, actually go to the group, you'll be added right into the group, and you can follow the instructions. It'll actually have you download a demo account where you can actually go and take, basically we like to call them demo trades, but you can follow the educators as they take trades. They'll actually tell you when, where's a good zone to go in at a certain time. We're going to take we're going to do a sell here, or we're going to do a buy here. And that's how simple it is over here. Literally, these educators, we jump on these live educational calls every day. Their schedule is throughout the entire day. So even if you work a job, you can get on in the evening. So it's very, very convenient, right? We even have an app now that calls out trades during the day. So there's really no excuse you should not be making any kind of money. I'm at home all day. So obviously for me, I'm going to jump on my computer, get on these calls all day, make my, whatever, 3, 4, 5% for the day and get off, right? So that's pretty much what you're going to be going through. Is basically these guys are going to jump on, and they're going to show you what we're doing over here, what you'd be getting into. And of course, there's an investment with this. So for the Academy, it's $235 to sign up initially, to get into the Academy. And then it's $174 a month, right? So I'm always transparent. I don't get you anything that I'm not involved in or that I'm having success with. That's going to be in the back office. You'll see that too. But for the purpose of this, we want to bring as many people in to see what it's all about, see their curiosity in it. And then, once you go through this trial and see what it's all about, you would reach back out to me, and you basically would go ahead and let's get you started. Okay, so that's what this free trial is. Again, it's going to be next Tuesday. I'm going to show you something else really quickly. Actually, let me go into the actual group so I can share with you what it's all about. This is Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, get hip to Telegram, because that's where all of us meet all the time in Telegram. So basically these guys right here, let me minimize that. Actually, all three of these guys. So this is the Millionaire Mentor. If you don't know who that is, he's a millionaire. He's more than a millionaire. He is basically our upline in our group, in our team. So he's heading this up. He's going to be on the call. He trades crypto. He does actual cryptocurrencies. Then this is Sava, who's actually one of the educators who's going to be showing you guys how to take trades. Has an awesome win rate. And then we have Diego, who's his sidekick. And all three of these guys are going to be on this call next Tuesday. You don't want to miss it. Again, here's the info. This is the group you'll be added into. So again, go ahead, and I'll drop the link below to the Telegram group down below in the description. All you have to do is just go ahead and then click the link that I put down below. Get in there as soon as possible, because you're going to want to set up the demo account. There's instructions in here. These are the instructions you'll be able to see. Once you get in, they're welcoming you in. It's going to tell you about the Zoom, how you have to have a Zoom, because it's a Zoom call. And no, you don't have to show your face on it. It's just simply watching and doing, right? How to set up pocket options to get your demo account, so you can basically trade with you're using the demo account has fake money in it, that the broker puts in there for you to practice trading. So you can set it up, and that way you can take the trades with us, and you can see yourself winning, losing, but it's all, and I still use this. I use this when I want to practice. I have my live account that I trade with, and then I have my demo account so I can practice. So you'll see that too as they go in there and they show you the strategies we're using and the support that you have, guys. These guys are awesome. It's just an exciting time to be part of this company and part of our team. That you can get involved with, right? I'm part of the Freedom Traders. We're growing exponentially. It's just fun. Every day we motivate each other and you won't be left alone. The academy itself is awesome. Now I want to get into that really quickly because I didn't want to make this video way too long, but basically what you would do is this is how you would get started. I'm also going to drop the link again too for my referral link for you. When you're ready to get started, you can go to my link. Again, you're going to go in to select your package. We're all of our team is in the HFX, which again is high frequency Forex trading. We're trading binary options. Okay. So it's the easiest way to start, but this academy has many more things, right? Many more things to get in here with, but I'm going to show you something. So when I send you my my referral link, I just want to go there real quickly because last time I don't think I got to show everybody everything that you would be getting into. So you would go to my referral link, and as this is loading, I just want to show you that. So these are the packages. These are the different kind of academies we have within I Am Academy. You have the FRX Academy, you have the Elite Academy, which encompasses all of these academies. HFX, which is the best one that in my mind, I'm enjoying it. It's the easiest to get started. And once you master this, you can surely move to the others, right? But these are all the different academies. These are just add-ons, but, and then the strategies, the strategies are what we're learning on. That's just another training in itself. However, this is the package that we are all part of. And if you can see this here, I'll move my screen a little bit. That's what the enrollment fee is. You pay that to get started with the academy. But then to maintain your membership, because this is a membership. And guys, don't always look at this financial expenditure because you're actually getting value every day. You're learning a skill that is going to be here forever. No one can take it away from you. I don't look at this amount every month as, oh my gosh, I got to pay $174 a month. No, guys, when you start getting into this and learning trading, you're learning a new skill. Nobody's going to take it away from you. You're going to be earning, right? You're going to be earning. Again, I can't guarantee what you're going to earn, but you're going to be building your trading account up, right? And then to that again, if you decide, maybe that is too much for you every month, refer to people just as customers, because our company is built primarily on customers, not so much the recruiting side. I believe it's like around 88% of the people in IM are customers. They just want to learn to trade. And so with that in mind, if you get 2 people to come and trade with you, this is waived. As long as they stay active, this is waived. So think about it that way too. Everybody knows 2. Somebody knows 2, right? Get them in and then you can do that. Now, if you want to recruit, you can surely become an IBO. And that's a whole nother topic. I'm not here to discuss that today, but if that is something you're interested in, let me know as well. We have a lot of great leaders on our team, and we have different Telegram groups as well for people that want to really go out there and recruit people and build on the business side, which is very nice. It's a nice residual income. And I may do another video on that as well. On my next go around, I'll show you the breakdown of what the compensation plan looks like. Okay. But today I just wanted to mostly talk about the HFX because that's where I'm primarily at right now. So that's what you're getting. And it's monthly. You're getting access to the strategies we use to know when to go in for trades. You're getting access to the educators. That's what these fees are. They're paying educators. You have to keep these educators going. So let me show you this real quick as well. So once you get into the academy, you pay your fee, you're going to have access to the IM.Center. And this is where all your training starts, guys. You're going to actually go in and basically start your training. You're going to go through the HFX Learning High Frequency. And this is where you start. You're going to go into all these videos, take it step by step, and it breaks down what is HFX, what is trading, what is trading session times, market participant. It literally walks you through everything. And when you complete all of these, you basically graduate in a sense from this piece. And now you can move to the go live sessions, which is where our educators are going live to basically get on these trainings and tell you, okay, they're not only training you on how to go in and where their strategy they're using, but they're telling you, okay, these are the zones that I'm looking at. Now, I believe the market is going to go this way, or it's going to, it's going to go up, or it's going to go down. And depending on what they put in and they feel based on their strategies, and we're all learning the same strategies, you're going to go in for a call, which means a buy, or a put, which means a sell. They literally take it so far as when you start getting into the brokers, because everybody has to have a broker. Pocket Option, the demo count that we're going to show you is one of the brokers, but there's so many other brokers. We can't tell you which brokers to use, but you need to fund a broker in order to start taking live trades at that point. But again, all that is in here, guys. You're not going to be lost because all that is in here. It literally walks you through everything. And then we also have, when you get into our team, we have actual training pinned at the top on what to start doing the first day you get in, okay? So let's say you just went through all these trainings, you watched all the videos, right? And now you got a better understanding of what this is all about. The next step you would do is go to the go live sessions. And this is where the magic happens. I love these go live sessions. They're so awesome. So these are right now, some of the top 5. This always changes, guys. This will change. These people on here change. It could be, different weekly, basically it's the educators who are teaching or having the most views on their live sessions, right? So the last few weeks, Matty Pips has been on, he's been one of the top, and then, HFX, and it'll tell you which educators. We are in the HFX realm. So you don't, depending on which you're in, which you sign up for, I highly recommend HFX. Because that's where we're all started on our team, and it's the easiest to understand. So once you got that down, and again, this rotates out. Millie Mills is one of the ones that I love. You're going to find when you get in here, she's really a great mentor, motivator, educator. And now Matty Pips, he's also good. He's very popular because he just released basically he released a strategy which is called Hourglass, which basically tells you, exactly the same thing I was mentioning before, like more strategic on when to go in for a trade, what points to go in for a trade, and it's just awesome. So he's really, really popular right now because he just released an action upgrade to that strategy. So he's getting a lot of views, and he gets on, his sessions are usually late at night. But I'm going to show you something. So HFX Academy, you'd go to the library. And this, again, guys, is only once you complete the training, you want to go to the live sessions. I actually traded in my demo account for, I would say, maybe a good month or so till I got comfortable in what I was looking for and what they're talking about, how they're trading. Then I went and funded my account to a live account, and that's when, the magic starts to happen. But again, there's always risk with investing, so keep that in mind. But anyway, so Millie Mills is one of my favorites. She's usually on at a good time, 12 p.m. Monday through Thursday. Basically, what you would do is at that time, you would click on the link. It would take you to her live session where she comes up. She's answering questions. Students are typing in their questions. Now, there's a lot. She's not able to get to every single question, but she reads these questions, guys, and she helps us to learn how to trade. All of these guys are all HFX traders. They have different times, right? We have a lot of Spanish speaking traders. So if you speak Spanish, we have those in here as well. Arlette is another one who speaks Spanish, English. DL Woods is also another good educator. I get on his as well. Then Dr. Josh Lee and Brandon Boyd, they're phenomenal. They teach you they don't take live trades. They mostly teach you the skill on mastering trader. Dr. Josh Lee, which is this guy here, he was a doctor. He actually he retired from being a doctor to be a full-time trader and is so successful with it. He tells his story on these calls. They're at 1 o'clock every day. So the list goes on. Another cash trap training that I mentioned, he's along with Matty Pips. And so on and on and on, right? All these times are available for us. So it's a great tool to have. When you get in here, you're going to see how awesome it is. Now, just to give you a little insight, I'm not going to take you through the whole thing, but let's say I wanted to go on her trade, okay? So this is how it would look, but she'd be live and you could actually interact through the chat here. That's how simple it is. And she also, every educator on here records their sessions from previous days. So you can go back and study them. And that's all the Academy is. We simply take trades through the day, right? We take our trades and then we educate ourselves. We go back through their sessions and we rewatch what they're doing, how they're breaking the strategies down so we can be master traders. So the brilliant thing about this concept, which brought me in, and then I'm going to finish with this, guys. The brilliant thing that what really captured me for this is when I started going in and taking these trades with them live, and you know, you're going to lose, you're going to win, you're going to lose. It's not always wins. We call them lessons, actually. We don't even say lose. That's a negative word. We call them lessons. You know, you might have 5 and 2. You might have 5 wins and 2 lessons for the day. That's when it's time to shut your laptop or your stuff down. So they teach you risk management skills here. So you're not just blowing your account when you just opened it. You know, we're going by what we call compound interest plan. You'll learn that as well when you join our team. So that way you're taking very minimal, you're putting a minimal between 1 and 2, 3% if you're getting really good in for each trade. So that's the strategies you'll learn. Guys, you know, it's a phenomenal thing because we're basically learning and earning at the same time. And that's what kind of captured me when I got in here, started really seeing that I can win and earn. And that's what I'm in for life. This is something I'm not going to ever quit because I love it. I'm addicted to it now. I can't stop. And you can just feel the energy on our team when you get started. All right. So again, guys, I just didn't want to go over, but I kind of did here, but I'm just so excited to share it with everybody. So the way you get started, okay, again, I'm going to recap the way you get started. If this sounds like something you're interested in, again, you're learning. It's an academy, right? You're paying for your education. Just like you're going to a university, you're investing in yourself to learn a new skill, something no one can take away from you. Think of it like that. It's trading, to be a full-time currency trader. That's what we do here. And so, you know, whether you want to just trade full-time, learn that skill like I'm doing, or you want to also recruit and have the residual incomes, you know, let me know which way you're going, because the link is for anyone. Okay. Whatever direction you're going right now, me personally, I'm sticking with the trading at this point until I really master that down. And then, you know, I'm going to refer people to this because I want other people to learn and be successful and get value out of it. I'm not successful unless you're successful. I want you to come in and understand what we're doing here. If you're someone who's having, you know, hard times, you know, maybe you don't like recruiting, then I found something for you. This is it. This is how it was presented to me. I'm presenting it to you. If you hate recruiting people and you don't want to do affiliate marketing, you don't want to do any of that where you have to put out money for traffic and things like that. This is an alternative, guys. Just take a step back and like really think about it. If you're, you know, you have the time and you really want to invest in yourself for education, this is a good way to do it. I never thought I would do something like this because it looks scary. It does. I mean, the charts and all that. But when I got in here and started understanding what they're doing and the way Millie Mills, oh my gosh, she breaks it down for you so simple that my 12-year-old could understand it. Okay. She's really, really great at explaining how, what is what, the colors, you know, and that's what I love about her session. So, we're going to do this again, guys. What I'm going to do is go back to, so again, it's a free trial, guys. It's a free 1-day trial. They're going to be doing this at 9:45 a.m. If you want to get in on this, guys, do me a favor. Definitely go to the description. I'm going to actually have the Telegram group be the first link for you guys to go ahead and get on this free trial. You don't have to invest anything at that time. It's just to show you what it's all about and how much fun we have. And then after that, if you decide you want to take some action, guys, go ahead and click the second link down, which will be my referral link to get you started. Again, disclosure, I showed you how much it was. It's 234, 235 to get started right away. And then you're billed on the next month, like 28 days later, you're billed for the next month, to basically continue your membership. Every month it's gonna be a reoccurring bill to keep your membership going. So guys, with that, I just wanted to, close and end. I would definitely jump on the free trial. There was no free trial for me. I wish I would have known about this a while ago. I would have definitely got in on it. It's just a great opportunity to learn a new skill. I found my home now. I really love it. It's where my focus has really become, and I'm super excited. I'm like addicted to this. I can't even stress that enough, right? I need to get myself up sometimes and step out of it, right? Because guys, it's not always about money. I wanted to learn something new, right? Yes, I want to make sure I'm trying to leave a legacy for my family. This is where it's at. I already see it. I envision it. I'm a millionaire. It's already there. I basically, invite any of you who feel that same way, who are visionaries, who basically want to get out of that same rut, to take a chance on yourself, take a risk on yourself. Be grateful. I'm grateful for Jennifer Hedrick, who referred me to this. I'm grateful for everything in my life. I'm grateful for where I'm at today. Always, wake up with that grateful mindset. And every day, that's what I do. I do my prayers every morning. I get on calls with a gentleman named Morning with Nano. He's really inspired me a lot to kind of get out of my shell a little more, and push forward. So with that, guys, that's all I wanted to show you guys on this. Again, I'm going to drop the links to basically the Money in Minutes Telegram channel. If you don't have Telegram, also, guys, you need to download that. It's an app on Google Play or the Apple Store, and you just download that to get into these groups. But again, I'll drop the links. You join it. Do me a favor too, guys, if you'll message me in the description too, if you did join it. That way I know. Either way, my email, all my contact information is under there. You can get started, okay? And then the next step would be, if you wanted to get started, you're going to click on the enrollment link that I'll send as well. That way you can get started. All right, guys, so that is it. I wanted to end that for the weekend, and I hope to see you guys on that free trial call. All right, guys. Also, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel for more updates on this opportunity. I'm probably going to do another video on the basically recruiting side of things at another day. But also be sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.